One of the first stops you'll want to make when you're learning iOS development is to go to Apple's developer website. And this is available at developer.apple.com. From here, you'll want to select the iOS Dev Center link. And this will take you to the iOS Dev Center. The iOS Dev Center is really the central repository for all things iOS development. From here, you'll find links to developer documentation. There's a featured content section. You'll get access to development videos, as well as links to the actual tools themselves. But before you can make good use of the iOS Dev Center, you first need to become a registered Apple developer. At the top of the page, you'll find a couple different registration links. I'll select this one that says Register for Free Today. And by becoming a registered Apple developer, you'll get access to Xcode and the iOS SDK, get access to development videos and documentation, and if you encounter any bugs while you're doing your development, you can also submit bug reports back to Apple. Now, I strongly encourage you to become a registered Apple developer before continuing on with this course. This will give you access to everything you need to get started doing iOS development. You'll be able to write your application and test it on your desktop. Before you can actually deploy to an iOS device or ultimately publish to the App Store, you need to take things one step further. You actually need to join one of Apple's developer programs. At the bottom of this page, you'll find a link that says Learn More about our developer programs. You'll see there are a few different developer programs available. There's either the standard developer program, either for an individual or a company. This is $99 a year. There's an iOS Developer Enterprise program for $299 a year. This is primarily meant for large enterprise organizations that want to develop apps in-house. There is also an iOS Developer University program. For the overwhelming majority of people, either the standard program as an individual or company is really the right option for you. But doing this will allow you to deploy to your development device and ultimately deploy out to the App Store. Now, it's not entirely necessary to take this step for the purposes of this course, but if you've got a great app idea and you want to get that out to the App Store, you will want to join one of these developer programs.